Welcome to the world of industrial-scale fruit processing, where millions of papayas are transformed into delicious products for global consumers. Every single day begins with careful manual harvesting as workers select only the finest ripe fruits from these vast green plantations. These fresh fruits are handled with utmost care to ensure that their delicate skin remains intact throughout the entire collection process. Fleet of refrigerated trucks stands ready to transport the harvest immediately to the factory to maintain optimal freshness and quality. The facility is a marvel of engineering designed to process massive volumes of fruit while maintaining strict hygiene and safety standards. Upon arrival, the trucks are directed to the receiving bay where the industrial transformation journey officially begins for these raw fruits. Powerful hydraulic systems lift the massive trucks to start the unloading process, which is fully automated for maximum speed and efficiency. The fruit pours out like a golden river onto the conveyor system, moving rapidly toward the initial cleaning and sorting stations. Once on the belts, the papayas enter a high-pressure washing tunnel where water jets remove dirt and debris from skins. The thorough cleaning process ensures every piece of fruit is sanitized before it proceeds to the advanced optical sorting technology station. Sophisticated optical sorters use high-speed cameras to inspect every individual papaya for any imperfections that might affect the final product. Any fruit that does not meet the premium quality standard is instantly removed by precise mechanical air jets in milliseconds flat. Only the most perfect specimens move forward to the next stage, where they will be prepared for canning or liquid extraction. Automated peeling machines remove the outer skin with surgical precision, ensuring minimal waste while preparing the fruit for the slicing stage. Advanced laser cutting technology splits the fruit perfectly in half, exposing the inner seed cavity for the robotic cleaning arms ahead. Specially designed robotic arms quickly scoop out all the seeds, leaving only the clean orange flesh ready for further precision dicing. The clean papaya flesh is then fed into a dicing machine that transforms large halves into perfectly uniform cubes for canning. These uniform cubes travel steadily toward the filling station, where they are prepared to be combined with sweet syrup for preservation. Each can is filled with the precise amount of papaya and syrup to ensure consistent taste and texture for every customer. A high-speed sealing machine attaches the lids firmly to the cans, creating an airtight environment for long-term food storage. Robotic systems load the sealed cans into giant pressurized chambers where they undergo a strict heat sterilization process for safety reasons. The thermal process ensures the contents remain fresh and shelf-stable for years while maintaining the natural flavor of the fruit. While canning continues, we shift our focus to the second processing line, dedicated to creating premium papaya juice and smooth smoothies. The fruit is processed through a high-speed centrifuge to extract a smooth pulp that will form the base of drinks. This pureed pulp is then sent to massive mixing vats where it is blended with other fruit juices for better flavor. Large industrial mixers ensure the ingredients are perfectly combined to create a consistent and delicious flavor profile for the final product. A high-pressure homogenization process gives the smoothie its signature smooth texture, making it pleasant to drink for all our consumers. The smooth mixture is filled into bottles using a rotary system that can handle thousands of units per hour with ease. Once filled, the bottles are capped and labeled by automated machines, ensuring every package is ready for retail display on shelves. Advanced spider robots move with incredible agility to pack the bottles into cardboard boxes before they move to the shipping area. The boxes are sealed securely with industrial tape as they travel along the roller conveyors toward the final warehouse staging zone. A heavy-duty robotic arm stacks the boxes onto wooden pallets with perfect precision to prepare them for storage and distribution. Autonomous guided vehicles navigate the factory floor silently to transport the palletized goods to the cold storage area for future shipment. The warehouse is a massive storage facility where products are kept in optimal conditions until they are shipped to the markets. Quality control technicians perform rigorous tests on random samples to ensure that every batch meets our high standards for food safety. Engineers monitor the entire production flow from this central control room to ensure that every machine is running at peak performance. Sustainability is a core value here as we recycle the water used in the washing stage to minimize our environmental footprint. Regular maintenance schedules keep our robotic systems in top shape, preventing downtime and ensuring that production targets are met every day. The quality of our raw ingredients is what makes our final products stand out in the competitive global food and beverage. Efficiency drives every step of our process from the moment the truck arrives until the final box is stacked for delivery. Modern factory design maximizes natural light and ventilation to create a comfortable working environment for all the dedicated staff members involved. Our team of professionals works tirelessly to manage the complex technology that powers this incredible industrial-scale food processing plant facility. The continuous motion of our conveyor systems is the heartbeat of this facility, keeping production steady throughout. The long work shifts, human oversight combined with advanced robotic precision creates the perfect balance for high-quality food production in this modern industrial era. Each finished can represents hours of work and sophisticated technology aimed at bringing the best fruit products to your dinner table. Our premium smoothies are crafted with care to ensure the vibrant flavor of fresh papaya is preserved in every single bottle. The final stage involves logistics where trucks carry our products to distribution centers to reach customers across the entire country today. As the sun sets over the facility, we reflect on the massive scale and dedication required to process millions of fruits. Cleaning protocols begin immediately after production to ensure that the facility is ready for the next day of high-volume output. Strict sanitation is our top priority because it guarantees that our products remain safe and healthy for every single consumer worldwide. It all starts back in the fields where nature provides the foundation for our sophisticated and highly efficient industrial processing lines. Innovation and passion drive our commitment to excellence in the food industry, creating products that people love to enjoy every day. We take pride in every step of our process from farm to bottle, ensuring quality and taste in every single sip. The vibrant colors of our products reflect the care taken during the harvesting and processing stages of our industrial fruit lines. This massive infrastructure is necessary to meet the global demand for healthy and delicious fruit products in today's fast-moving market. Hard work and technology come together here to provide sustainable food options for millions of people around the globe every day. Nature provides the best ingredients, and we simply use modern science to bring them to your kitchen in the best form. The rhythm of the factory continues through the night, ensuring that our shelves are always stocked with fresh and healthy products. Consistency is the key to our success, and we monitor every single parameter to ensure you get the perfect drink flavor. We are proud of the final products that leave our factory gates, as they represent the best of our harvesting efforts. Every cut is calculated, and every process is optimized to reduce waste while maximizing the quality of our fruit-based items. Maintaining the right pressure and temperature is essential for the safety and quality of the final products we deliver to you. Our laboratory experts are the guardians of our quality, ensuring that each batch is tested for taste, texture, and safety standards. Robotics have revolutionized the way we pack our products, allowing us to maintain high speed and accuracy throughout the working shift. The journey of our papaya products continues as they travel long distances to reach your local grocery stores and supermarket shelves. We remain committed to the sustainable sourcing of our fruits, working closely with local farmers to ensure high-quality raw materials. The speed of our production line is a testament to the advanced engineering that supports our mission to feed the world. Even when the lights go down, the spirit of innovation continues as we prepare for another day of high quality production. Quality is the signature of our brand, and we strive to deliver the best possible fruit products to all our customers. Whether You choose our canned fruit or our premium smoothies. You are getting the very best of our industrial processing expertise. It is the passion of our workers that makes this entire process possible, and we are grateful for their hard work. Technology is our greatest ally in the kitchen, and we continue to invest in the future of food processing for everyone. As we look forward to the future, we remain dedicated to quality, safety, and the joy of eating fresh tropical fruits. Thank you for watching this deep dive into our factory, and we hope to see you again soon on Factory PRODBSCL channel.